Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to initiate hire within the employee directory in KEBS. The user or HR member can create an employee and enter the details of the same by navigating to the employee directory application and clicking on the quick actions drop-down. From the list, the user need to select the initiate hire button. The initiate hire form appears. Here, all the details which are required for the employee to be hired is to be entered. First, the joining details. Enter the source vendor if the source of the employee is through a vendor. Enter the personal details. Select the nationality. Enter the ID type and their ID details. Select the date of birth. Select their blood group and enter the email ID. Enter their contact details. Now select the organization on which the employee is to be onboarded. Select the work schedule of the employee. Select the HR admin. Enter the emergency contact details. And add personal intersection, which is non-mandatory. Once all the mandatory fields are filled, the user can click the Create Employee button and the employee has been created successfully. Thank you for watching.